Hey guys, it is your girl Lady and you know what it is. I am back again with another YouTube video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that guys on Mojo I won a prize. So like we did a competition guys kwa Mojo, and guess what guys, I am filming with the new Hawaii map pad. You all guys, look at this, guys, Hawaii map pad. So here guys, so I wanted to do unboxing, but like we say everyone was excited guys. So yeah, I think I will show you isn't this because I already did the unboxing guys. I'm so sorry to do it off camera, but this is a pouch and a keyboard. I am glad guys ukuthi manje ne guys sisoba ne quality a better, equality a better. Do you get what I'm saying? A quality a better guys. Let me put this pouch in it guys. I wanna talk to you guys. Yeah guys, send balance guys. Last clips was yeah guys, sorry, but this is a mouse. Ish. Let me open it guys. Now guys, it connects to guys in Bluetooth. Yeah, this is so cute guys. This is so cute, honestly. Whoa. Find a softer space. So guys, this is a microfiber polished cloth guys. A mouse guys, a mouse. So on this video guys, I'm pronouncing it wrong again. So yeah guys, I am so sorry. So the delivery came, Big Tree, which Mojo is a big company under a big tree. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you watch till the end. And guys, I'm so excited. We are going to have a good quality going forward guys. I'm so happy because our vlogs now will come out clear, I'll be nice and stuff. But thank you so much for your patience. Nokuthi guys support well, like equality ileka lapho nalapha. Ayikuthi besingaboni guys ne leyo nto le warisha kakhulu guys, besi worried, but like we thank God besingeke size sithole lento le ngaphandle kaNkulunkulu guys. God did bless us on this one guys, because baningi abantu bebayingenele this competition guys, but we are the first prize winners guys. Just imagine. So I'm going to shoot make a video with this phone so that I can show you this method guys, so that the news are born. Yeah, so guys, do you see the different quality ne? yeah, so now guys, yeah guys, yo nage guys, going forward so let's use this method so that we can give you quality videos. Guys, thank you so much for your patience, and thank you so much for watching our content. Continue to watch our content, guys. You won't regret to subscribe on our own channel, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment, guys. Comment, guys. Ngizonibona on another video whereby, guys, next week ibirthday ka baby kamuntu wami, guys, next week. So there's more content that is coming, so please always stay tuned, guys.